If you are a Windows computer user, then you should try Microsoft PowerToys. To install PowerToys application, open Microsoft Store and search for PowerToys. Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilities for greater productivity. This application is free to use. Click on the title to open installation page. Here you can see it is already installed in my system. You will see Install button here. Click on it for installation. Once installed, click on the Start menu and search for PowerToys to launch the application. At first, we have Always on Top option. With this feature, you can pin any application on top of another application. Activation shortcut keys are written over here. Press them together for activation. For example, if I open an Excel sheet here and then switch over to another app, some portion of my Excel sheet will get hidden under the second app. But, if I pin it on top, then this problem will not happen. This is very useful for multitasking. Awake option is useful if you have something running in your system and you want to keep your computer stay awake all the time. It will not go into sleep or power saving mode if this is turned on. Then, we have color picker. This is very helpful for graphics designers. You can easily pick any colors and will get the color code. With Fancy Zone you can create complex window layouts and quickly position windows into those layouts. File Locksmith and File Explorer add-ons are not very useful, so I am skipping this too. Hosts File Editor is a convenient way to edit the hosts file that contains domain names and matching IP addresses. This is very useful if you are using cracked softwares. Image Resizer is a very useful tool. You can bulk resize images with this tool. With a simple right-click from File Explorer, resize one or many images instantly. Keyboard Manager allows you to customize the keyboard to be more productive by remapping keys and creating your own keyboard shortcuts. My keyboard does not have volume control keys, so I am going to remap two rarely used keys as volume up and volume down keys. This way you create your own shortcut keys. Power Rename enables you to perform bulk renaming, searching and replacing file names. It includes advanced features, such as targeting specific file types, previewing expected results, and the ability to undo changes. You can change the extension too. Text Extractor is a convenient way to copy text from anywhere on your screen. To activate, use the shortcut Windows Shift and T key together. Now select the range by dragging the mouse cursor. The text will be copied in your clipboard. Now you can paste it in any text editor application. So, I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.